You believe that your blood helps people, but when I was awarded the gold drop and I went to the meeting, there were several people in Dublin. Friends of mine got it down the country at the same time, but when you listen to a testimonial, now in my case, like my wife was there with me. Now she for various reasons she can't donate herself, but she was in tears at the man's story about his son had leukemia. Now, as it happened, the man in question was himself a platelet donor, but he said he got the real meaning of it when he saw his son being treated with platelets for leukemia, and it was a heartwarming story, and it was a happy ending because the son went into remission after about 3 years of treatment. And so when you see stuff like that, but then again I've heard of acquaintances of mine who have been beneficiaries of blood donations, and that is a real sign that you're doing something.